Ever wondered if spending just 1 minute of your day doing something could dramatically transform your health? Let's dive into the simple yet powerful exercise of planking and see how just 60 seconds can make a profound difference. Planking might sound deceptively easy, but it's a powerhouse move that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously. From your core, shoulders, arms, to your glutes, it challenges and strengthens a wide array of muscles. This quick engagement not only boosts your physical strength, but also fires up your metabolism, helping you burn more calories even when you're at rest. It's fascinating how such a brief investment of time can lead to noticeable improvements in your energy levels and overall mental focus, making you feel more alert and ready to tackle your day. With each day of consistent practice, you'll likely notice that tasks, which once felt physically taxing, become surprisingly manageable, demonstrating just how impactful a minute of planking can be on your everyday life. Planking is a body weight exercise where you maintain a position similar to a push-up for a set period. Unlike a push-up, you hold your body off the ground, either on your forearms or hands, forming a straight line from head to heels. This exercise is renowned for its simplicity, yet effectiveness in engaging a broad array of muscles across your body. As you stabilize in the plank position, your core, arms, shoulders, and glutes all work in concert to keep you lifted and aligned. This total body engagement not only strengthens these muscles, but also improves your posture and balance over time. As you integrate planking into your daily routine, the cumulative effects of strengthening these core muscle groups can have profound implications for your overall physical health, enhancing everything from your ability to perform daily activities to your performance in various sports and physical tasks. Planking is truly a full-body workout, known for its incredible benefits across major muscle groups. By engaging your core, you strengthen the muscles that stabilize your entire torso, which is pivotal not only for physical fitness, but also for everyday movements. This core strength is essential for reducing back pain and improving your posture, which can benefit you throughout your daily life. Additionally, planking also targets your arms and shoulders, building endurance and strength that enhances your ability to lift, push, and pull. The exercise engages your glutes as well, which are crucial for lower body strength and stability. This comprehensive muscular engagement makes planking an efficient workout choice that enhances muscle tone and endurance without the need for any equipment, making it an accessible and highly effective exercise for people at all fitness levels. As you continue with daily planking, these benefits accumulate, leading to improved strength, better posture, and enhanced metabolic rate, all contributing to a healthier, more vigorous body and lifestyle. As you engage in daily planking, one of the immediate benefits you'll notice is a significant boost in energy levels. This surge is partly due to the increased blood flow throughout your body. When you hold a plank, your heart works harder to pump blood to the muscle groups that are straining to maintain the position, improving your overall cardiovascular efficiency. The increased circulation helps to oxygenate your blood and fuel your muscles more effectively, which results in a natural energy boost. Additionally, the physical effort triggers the release of endorphins, the body's natural painkillers, which are known for their mood-enhancing properties. These endorphins can lead to what is often termed the runner's high, a feeling of well-being that follows a vigorous workout. Thus, not only does planking help in building physical strength, but it also plays a crucial role in elevating your mental state, making you feel more energetic and happier as a result. This combination of physical and psychological benefits makes even a brief daily plank session a powerful mood booster and energy enhancer. Planking not only strengthens the body, but also sharpens the mind, thanks to the concentration required to maintain proper form and controlled breathing throughout the exercise. When you perform a plank, it's crucial to keep your body aligned correctly, your back flat, your core tight, and your breathing steady. This focus on form and breath draws your attention away from daily distractions and stressors, channeling your mind towards your physical sensations and the task at hand. This practice of mindfulness, even if just for a minute, can significantly enhance your mental clarity and focus. The act of concentrating intensely on keeping your form perfect and your breaths deep and steady trains your brain to stay focused, which can translate into better mental performance in other areas of your life. Over time, this heightened focus can improve your ability to concentrate in work or study, making planking not just a physical exercise, but a mental discipline that enhances your overall cognitive function. Regular planking dramatically improves core strength, which is integral to your overall physical health. The core is essentially the central link in your body, connecting the upper and lower sections. Strengthening this link through consistent planking enhances your stability and balance, making everyday activities, from bending and lifting to turning and even sitting, much easier and more efficient. This increased core strength also plays a crucial role in muscle tone. As your core muscles become stronger, they also become more defined, giving your abdomen a more toned appearance. Moreover, a strong core significantly reduces the risk of back pain, a common ailment that can be debilitating. By fortifying the muscles around your spine, planking helps support your back, alleviating stress and strain on your spinal columns. This support is particularly beneficial for people who spend long hours sitting, as it can help counteract the negative effects of prolonged sedentary behavior. With a stronger core, you not only look better, but feel better, with fewer aches and pains and improved capacity to perform physical tasks, thereby enhancing your quality of life and daily productivity. One of the lesser-known, yet highly beneficial effects of planking is its ability to boost your metabolic rate. Even when you're at rest, this increase in metabolism is due to the muscle-building aspect of the exercise. Muscles are more metabolically active than fat, which means they consume more energy. As planking strengthens and builds your muscle mass, your body burns more calories throughout the day, not just during exercise. This elevated basal metabolic rate means that regular planking can help you manage your weight more effectively by increasing the number of calories you burn while performing everyday activities and even while sleeping. This metabolic boost is a significant advantage for weight management and overall health, making planking an excellent addition to any fitness routine aimed at maintaining a healthy body weight and composition. Planking regularly over an extended period can lead to significant transformations in your body composition. As you build muscle mass and increase your metabolic rate through consistent planking, your body begins to burn fat more efficiently, which can decrease your overall body fat percentage. This shift not only leads to weight loss, but also enhances muscle definition across your body, particularly in the core, arms, and legs. The result is a more sculpted, toned physique that not only looks strong, but truly embodies strength. These physical changes are often accompanied by improvements in overall health, such as better cardiovascular fitness and enhanced endurance. The visible results of regular planking, like a flatter abdomen and more defined shoulders, can significantly boost your confidence and motivation. This positive feedback loop encourages continued exercise and healthy habits, reinforcing the lifestyle changes that started with just 1 minute of planking a day. These transformative effects exemplify how a simple exercise like planking can profoundly impact not just your physical appearance, but your entire well-being. The long-term practice of planking brings about substantial enhancements in posture and balance, which are pivotal for overall physical health and well-being. A strong core, developed through regular planking, is critical in maintaining proper posture. This improved posture not only makes you look taller and more confident, but also aligns your spine, reducing the stress on your back muscles and joints. This alignment is crucial in everyday activities and sports, as it distributes physical stress more evenly across the body, minimizing the risk of strain or injury. Moreover, enhanced balance is another significant benefit derived from the stabilizing nature of planking. A well-conditioned core acts like an anchor for your body, providing stability in all movements and reducing the likelihood of falls, particularly as you age. This improvement in balance and stability is especially beneficial in dynamic sports and activities that require quick changes in direction, contributing to safer and more effective movements. The combined benefits of improved posture and balance not only help in reducing the risk of future injuries, but also contribute to a more active and pain-free life, allowing you to engage in a broader range of activities with greater ease and enjoyment. Committing to daily planking builds more than just physical strength. It also cultivates mental resilience. The discipline required to stick to a daily exercise routine, particularly one as challenging yet brief as planking, enhances your willpower and fosters a sense of consistency in your life. This mental fortitude is invaluable, as it spills over into other areas, helping you face challenges with a more determined and resilient mindset. Furthermore, the routine of engaging in regular exercise like planking has profound effects on your overall mental health. It is well documented that consistent physical activity improves sleep patterns. The physical exertion helps regulate your body's circadian rhythms, promoting quicker sleep onset and deeper sleep cycles. Better sleep contributes to lower stress levels, as a well-rested mind is better equipped to handle stressors. Additionally, the endorphins released during exercise provide a mood boost, painting a more positive outlook on life. This uplift in mood is crucial for mental health, making daily planking a simple yet effective tool for enhancing your quality of life across various dimensions. This comprehensive improvement in both mental and physical health, driven by a simple daily commitment to planking, underscores the power of integrating consistent, manageable bouts of exercise into your daily routine. To keep the exercise both challenging and engaging, it's beneficial to incorporate variations of planks into your routine. By adding different forms such as side planks, which target the obliques, or dynamic planks that involve movement like plank jacks or mountain climbers, you can engage different muscle groups and prevent workout monotony. These variations not only spice up your planking sessions, but also ensure that your body continues to adapt and strengthen, avoiding plateaus that can occur with repetitive exercise routines. Integrating planking into a broader fitness regimen enhances overall health and ensures comprehensive physical development. Consider pairing planking with cardiovascular exercises such as running or cycling to improve heart health, and include strength training routines that target other major muscle groups to ensure balanced fitness. Yoga and stretching can complement planking by improving flexibility and reducing muscle tension, leading to a well-rounded fitness program that maximizes your health benefits. This holistic approach to fitness, with planking at its core, supports sustained health improvements and keeps your workout regimen diverse and motivating, paving the way for a lifelong commitment to health and wellness.